We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes E-Class convertible diesel. It's the AMG Sport. As you can see, it's got unmarked diamond cut style AMG alloy wheels, front park distance control. It's finished in gleaming black and metallic. Rear park distance control as well. It's the E220 diesel. It's got full leather interior with the white stitch piping. It's got the satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. It's got heated seats, fully automatic, fully convertible roof, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, electric windows and mirrors. Absolutely gorgeous condition. DJH will have all dealer facilities, including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07 503 751 005. Thank you.